Hello everyone, my name is Hussein from Enlighten Properties. Right now we are one of the best developer. It's called TownX, and they are just starting the project. Is like LUMA 22. They already just built LUMA 21, which is right now the one of the best project in JVC. And the LUMA 22, the starting price for studio is 635, and if you go for one bedroom, the start 970. And the good thing for that one, the project is next to JSS school, and there's also Oxford residence 2 next to that one, and like you can just understand for that. And the payment plan is very good for that one. Time of the handover is like next year, September 2024. Okay, so here I show you. So if you're looking for investment for any project, any property in JVC, you can please contact with us. So the good thing for that one, they are just making approx 50,000 square feet the park, where like jogging track and everything, and the pool is there in the rooftop. So they have two pools, one for ladies and one for gents, one for mix and one for ladies separate. So this is a good thing for the privacy. And the building is like they already make one LUMA 21, so that is like good one. I think people bought the property and they get like very good interest, and the quality of the construction is amazing what they're using. So we have mock apartment ready. So if you want to invest, or if you're looking for plan for investment in JVC area, please contact with that. Mine and the Lisa number is mentioned below. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.